We know so we want the music and we know so dancehall empty. Right now, we see Popcorn have put out some songs. We get 3 good songs out of Popcorn recently. We see Alkaline do him thing. But it's undeniable. Dancehall empty without Vybz Kartel.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Vybz Kartel have a major problem on him hand because him come out of prison. And I feel like say if him they come out of prison on some God is the greatest type of thing, he would have a whole of dancehall in him hand, but
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Go on, you don't know things setting, you don't know how one Media Fox pan the app. Is it? Yeah, man. So people, when you don't know J.A. Radio, so I go play a clip back in the past. You don't know in J.A. Radio, I rep the Gaza thing, you see me? Yeah, man, I rep the Gaza thing, so look here now. This is when I think Kartel they are prison and thing, and you know, him talk a bag of things. You see it, him even call Alkaline name in night, and you know a thing said. Yeah, man, here we go on.
Kartel is not a man suitable for road. So it's a thing where him have to be smart. So we know so we want the music and we know so dancehall empty. Right now, we see Popcorn have put out some songs. We get 3 good songs out of Popcorn recently. We see Alkaline do him thing. But it's undeniable. Dancehall empty without Vybz Kartel. It's been almost 2 months and we can feel the difference, brethren. Nobody can go around the man thing. The man has been consistently putting out songs for years. I feel like if the Guinness Book of World Record do them research the right and proper way, I feel like Vybz Kartel have to be one of the most consistent artists in the world. That the man is supposed to have over all 4,000 songs.
Yo, wait, man usually hype up Kartel in a dog. It's sorry if you see the man switch up now, brother. I tell them already, brother. I tell you, say some of them, but not lie, some of them Gaza people, yeah, them not really real. Them don't real. Them just run with the hype, and once the hype just die down, or them not really get what them want, or them not get the highlight from the artist or what. It's like the man them just, I don't know, the man them just change, dog. It better you just never did carry the movement from day one, bro. You understand? I remember when them money I do certain things and I run out and I diss Alka for the Gaza thing, and it'd be same like what here with Tony Mataran. When he must say whatever with Alka birthday and then the man diss Alka, and then after I found out I say yo a Gaza people them make him do it, and because of Gaza make the little thing cause my Alka did a friend. Brother, I tell you bro, them money, you see, real fan base bro, them just stick with the artists and certain little things bro. Enough of them people are just with the hype, brother. I tell you that, just with the hype. You see it, so we know say some of them guys are people and not really loyal, dog. I'm not really loyal, you see me? But listen to what I say.
I think even Vybz Kartel know the amount of song with him up. Because the man put out song. It's like the man is music, is dancehall. For make a hit record is just so simple to the man. It's like him have a formula.
Brother, him have a formula and put out it. Right now for the man forward out, brother, just one song. And God is the greatest, so you saw reality. If the narrative change right now, you see me? A one song alone, brother. So you would back then usually hype up the man and everything now, and everything does change. I don't know what go on, I don't know what Kartel do to him people, but we know them not too really loyal that much to the thing. Yeah man, them not really loyal much that to the thing. Cause all the thing said, you see me, at the end of the day Kartel do what he do already. You see, I know say the music where my drop now, it maybe not too, with the people them, sometimes I can say yo, based on the topic and the maturity of the music, him can just, be more mature with the music, and cause something where I sing about, I say yo, you grow past that man, you see me? Yeah, and your people them way back then, some big people now where we kinda done with the little foolishness and all, so yeah man, that's all, but that's how you think said people. You see me? For real.
Formula. So yo, the Gaza people, you just have to keep on the head up in the time being and just know say if you're not hearing no Vybz Kartel song come out, that means they're supposed to have a million songs when you're writing a prison. So you can imagine when Vybz Kartel come out and start release them hit songs there. A problem. So right now I need just some new artists to try rise up in the time being and try fill the void. All of the artists them are out there established right now.
So with the people in just the Kartel have some song in a prison load up for come job. Why? I know it's I guess I don't know if that's why you did things that did go happen when you found out and you realize that not go on and you just switch up. You see me? You realize boy, no hits. That's one alone, and Maybe at that, but we don't know what things said.
Time to fill the void. So the young artists them, no more excuse. Time for them to step out. I mean I say Gaza, the real loyal Gaza fans them, just be patient. Cause me I say, yo, imagine that day when Vibes Cartel touch the road. Imagine the first promoter was supposed to get a chance to book Vibes Cartel. You can imagine, I not even know which part of them I'll keep that. Must out in the ocean. Cause I don't think the stadium there Jamaica big enough for hold the kind of people who are gonna fly down and all of the people who are gonna left every parish come see Vibes Cartel for the first time.
Well, amount of people do that, but if the stadium still never full, that's all we know. It never full, so I guess the way they expect, it still never full. You don't know the ticket them there for go down, price there for go down and all them thing there. Bag a ticket give a same way. But yeah, it's a moment for the artists, found out of prison after 13 years. But, I guess the stadium thing, it just never, yeah.
So yo, we have to just go and hold the way up and see what going on with the appeal. We don't know, say yo, June the right around the corner, and let me tell you now, new song on the way. International collaboration, XXX Tentacion. Look out for that. Tomorrow, March 16th. So you don't know, say your boy always, out.
So yes, people. So that was maybe 8 years ago. I think, 8 or 9 years ago, people. You see me? That was Wiz. You don't know, I rep the Gaza them time there. The real, fully fake way. You understand? I think he go up on a long little break and then him forward back. But this recently when him forward back, now for hear where I say yes or no.
I tell you right now, I reach an age right now, and a stage in a dancehall, and a stage in my vlogging career where, yo, I'm not picking a side. I feel like this causes confusion. A lot of people want me to say, Gaza, fully Gaza right out. A lot of people want me to say, Masicka, me I bring in that thing. But honestly, I tell them people 100%, a dancehall I pick.
Yo, Wiz, dog, me don't know how you do it in a dog. Bro, everybody know say that rep the Gaza, brother. Everybody know that. The man say, yo, him nah pick no side and... Brother, then where did I pick like years ago, brother? Eh? Yes, yeah, it. Are you confused, dog? Yes, yeah, it cause a confusion. What? Bro, I the Gaza you did rep, bro. You understand? And people them say, yeah, rep Crooks now. But true, you don't know, you get the beat now and all of them little thing there now. It's like, yeah, say, yo, you not rep nobody, you rep dancehall. Bro, you better from the get-go, you just did that rep dancehall and a pick no side, bro. You cannot pick no side, brother. And then in the future now say, yo, a dancehall. You understand? Because what you do, bro, as me say, anybody would have feel a type of way. I know say, you are rep the Gaza back then, right? Then, I don't know what happened after a sudden you forward back. Kartel for the road, I don't know. The Masicka thing now, you start go off for the Gaza people them. You are different crooks. But you was a Gaza. You understand? I don't know. You say you do dancehall now. I don't know if it's true. You realize, say, Kartel a rep one different vlogger now. You understand? And the vlogger maybe a diss you. And, they just switch up and everything, bro. But, brother, I don't remember what we usually do back in the days, bro. You understand? People forget that. You just can't rub out. You see me? But you have to do what you have to do, dog. You see me? If you say a dancehall you rep now, fine, but the people are going to forward out and say, brother, and this you usually rep, you usually roll out this up Alka, all when the 6 them are war and a bag of things. On the thing on the talk, on the usually talk about Alkaline because of the Gaza thing. Now, when stop rep the Gaza now a dancehall. Alright. But you still know the people, them still are going to beat you, bro, me I tell you.
A lot of people want to pick side, and people can say, yo, Wiz pick side from back then. You have to understand, yo, I rate Vibes Cartel. I rate Vibes Cartel music, right? I rate the music, them and everything. I've never met Vibes Cartel before, but never vlog when Vibes Cartel they are road. So I have to understand, say, yo, Adija Palmer and Vibes Cartel are two different things. I rate the music them when Vibes Cartel drop. I don't necessarily rate everything where Adija Palmer do. So I have to understand that. So if you don't want...
Yo, dog, me I tell it right. Yeah, man, say never did a vlog when Kartel for the road, dog. John, then what you do now? John, bro, Wiz. I tell you, can't trust you, bro. That's why you couldn't say vendetta, dog. Me I tell you, you couldn't say vendetta, bro. Because vendetta say loyalty, bro. You see me? Vendetta say loyalty, brother. I tell you that, because no matter what. All of the vendetta vlogger, them now go come out and talk them way, bro. Me I tell you that. Vendetta go just say you a vendetta, dog. But bro, I tell you, dog. No real to the thing, brother. You see me, uno no real to the thing, dog. You see, cause I don't know how come Kartel and the what you call it, the Adija thing. You know rate the Adija though, but you rate Kartel music. But back then it did different. You understand? Back then you pick sides, so I don't know. You see me, I'm just the Gaza fans them I go deal with you. I them for beat you still.
And me for say fully Gaza 100%. Yo, I'm using my juice. So going forward, I'm going to see me where I play some Kartel, where I play some Masicka, where I play some Popcorn, where I play some Alkaline. I just some more of my thing for going right now. I have kids and them something like that. I'm not pick a side of this right now. But I tell you, Vibes Kartel have a major problem. So when I talk with no kind of hate in my heart or nothing. It's a artist I'm a rate and I always try to look out for the team. And I've been, notice, I've been out there warning them, everything I'm say, all of them always act like say you're a foolish man talk. And everything I'm say, come to pass. Vibes Kartel have a major problem on him hand because him come out of prison. And I feel like say if him they come out of prison for some God is the greatest type of thing, he would have the whole of dancehall in him hand. But right now, Vibes Kartel come out and him talk him shit right now. Yo, him man come out and it's like him want to be judged like him is a fresh artist. Remember now, we should have looked on Vibes Kartel like the legend he is, because Vibes Kartel is a legend. You understand what I say?
Yes. And that are the thing. Yeah, I go say that this is like, Kartel is a man, bro. We're not supposed to know them man they stay, brother. Them man they love the attention, bro. So him go try double with the young youths them do, which him a legend. And if you look how Beanie Man, Bounty them and all of them man they just easy back and just make the youth them do him thing. But Kartel another type of man, bro. The man I want the attention, bro. The topics them when him sing, I the see him ranch, the see him raw, everything, brother. I just him that, bro. Maybe at that time talent, maybe that's the person he is. Him can't, because at the end of the day, bro, God is him get a one song. I remember say him sing other song, but bro, remember say Kartel broke him fan base in this badness and all of them little thing there. And remember about the God thing and all of them thing there, bro. You see me? So people, it's like if him go that way to the full extent, bro, I don't think the fans are gonna really want that fully. If Kartel ever say you just be a gospel song, him a sing, nah. Yeah, him can balance the thing, gospel and do this, but more while me have to say, the topic them. Yeah, the topic. Yeah, as a legend of the game, you see me? I have to know say, certain topics that I have to just, yeah, man, because you don't know, say, people are going to look up to a elder, them now see them a sing about certain things, and, the way them deal with it, like, Mother True, Grill, and all of them type of topics there. You see me? Yeah. Certain people now go really meds that, because in fan base, them who are real loyal fans are grow with him, and, they must say, them thing I can done, bro, because for them life uplift and more mature now, them now go really expect certain things from him. You understand? But I guess it look like Wiz disappointed in the Kartel, that's why I'm saying just at the dancehall, because I guess him realize, say, brother, I can't bother with the Gaza thing because the Gaza thing not really that mature. But I don't know, bro. The man spent 13 years in a prison, that time status where them always put. And I guess, when you have, what you call it, like a portal, watch movie and see people go through, going at the future and the past. So maybe you pretty now way say, all right, 13 years him lock up. So it's like, it would have to be a next 13 more years for him get to that level the way you say, man a legend and him just a go on easy and lay back. I guess, but I don't know, dog. I just that them man, the brother. So them man they stay, dog. You see me? It's a brother where him just still act or him act. You see me? I just one of them. It's not like other artists where more them growing their music and more them get more, more mature and their music and the topic kind of change, and I just can't tell that, dog. You see me? But I saw it go where we say a dancehall him say no more Gaza and no more this and no more that. You see me? But you can't say you usually rep the Gaza and the Masicka thing, but not the Vendetta thing, so, And the people them a go pray you too. Cause you know why? Back in them days, the man them say, a Kartel music and all of them, but now, them a go worse pray when you go play Masicka and Alkaline song. Dog, I tell you, brother, but you know who's the thing sell people.
He's a legend. He's not supposed to out and act like he want to compete with day one artists, 1 year artists. But based on everything we do right now and the shit them mama say, My man of Ice Kartel say, yo, if him did their road, he might get goal every weekend and them something. You know. He make a lot of big talking in the space right now, and people are holding him to these type of things. We're not supposed to even try to judge a veteran, a legend in the business with a Masicka with it in him peak. Masicka in him peak, in him prime. Yo, me I tell the right.
Yes, you see me? That people say I compete with the young youths them. With the little raunchy song and all of them little thing there. Yeah, but I just Kartel that dog. Me the thing say artist, brother, was an artist. You're supposed to know Kartel stay already. Brother, them man ain't no change, bro. Them man just say strictly raw and slackness and all of them thing there, brother. Man I sing about Christmas song, and man I talk about Christmas this a swing like Ray and this them little thing there, brother. Prison Grill, him and him son I do this to girl and brother, just them man in brother, you not gonna get nothing better. Remember man say him done with gun song, you know. But him can't just change. The man I just give that ranchy something that thing then the female thing. You see me? I just him that brother, him can't like go to certain. Me tell them already say brother, Kartel just lyrical, a good artist and them thing there, but to me see it, my opinion, him not really that musician like you know at film age, as you say, him should have pre like the other elders them with certain song. Because at his age, nobody now look for him sing them type of song there. You understand? Yeah, and certain people are gonna lose off of that, which is his fans. Cause I guess I was him fan and you feel type of way say yo, him supposed to do more, quality music, quality messages, but and maybe other people out there look on it the same way as well. You understand? Yeah, other people out there look, but I just can't tell that brother. Him not change dog. See him Kartel will go prison and him forward out. You see me? So I guess I go just stop say Gaza then. And I guess that I go make it look like say you're not really real. You see me? But I saw it go still, when you're not too rate somebody and but I one of them thing the people, as me say, the Gaza thing right now, I don't know. You see me? I don't know. Kinda get look outdated, you see me, because them not really are focused on the music like that. You see me? I'm more like lifestyle and them look at thing there. But you have some good Gaza fans out there. Where I do them thing and they maybe not rate certain thing, but them still a whole out same way. You see me? Cause in everything you have good and bad. So we're not gonna say all of them bad. You see me? Not gonna say all of them bad. You have some good one where just stay in the shadows and just want to watch what go on. You see me? And with the one them when I really get too emotional and all these things. But people, I want media facts. You see me? Yeah, big ups to the support and thing. You see it? Respect. That is it.